Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 11/13 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 11/13 to a decimal, we simply divide 11 by 13. This division results in the decimal 0.846153, where the digits start to repeat after a certain point. Let's break down the long division process to see how this happens. We start by writing 11 as the dividend and 13 as the divisor. Since 13 does not fit into 11, we add a decimal point and append a 0 to 11, making it 110. 13 goes into 110 8 times. We place 8 in the quotient, multiply 8 by 13 to get 104, and subtract this from 110, leaving a remainder of 6. Next, we bring down a 0 to make 60. 13 goes into 64 times. We write 4 in the quotient to get 0.84, multiply 4 by 13 to get 52, and subtract this from 60 to get a remainder of 8. Adding another 0 gives us 80. 13 fits into 86 times. We add 6 to the quotient to get 0.846, multiply 6 by 13 to get 78, and subtract from 80 to get a remainder of 2. We then bring down another 0 to get 20. 13 goes into 20 once, adding 1 to the quotient to make it 0.8461. Subtracting 13 from 20 leaves a remainder of 7. Adding a 0 to the 7 gives us 70. 13 fits into 75 times, updating our quotient to 0.84615. Subtracting 65 from 70 leaves us with 5. Bringing down another 0 to the remainder gives us 50. 13 goes into 53 times, which we add to the quotient, making it 0.846153. Multiplying 3 by 13 gives us 39, and when we subtract this from 50, we're left with 11. This return to 11 as the remainder is significant because it means we're about to repeat the same sequence of divisions again. Since we're back to where we started, with 11 as our remainder, every step we've taken from this point will recur, creating an endlessly repeating cycle in our decimal. Therefore, the fraction 11/13 converted to a decimal is 0.846153, with the sequence 846,153 repeating indefinitely. This pattern illustrates the cyclic nature of certain fractions when expressed as decimals. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.